You'll love how easy it is to make this savory gluten-free chocolate almond cake. Line the bottom of the springform pan with parchment paper and grease the sides with butter. Separate the eggs and set the whites aside. Add the rum and half of the sugar to the egg yolks. Beat with a handheld mixer until foamy. Toast the almonds for 3 minutes in a saucepan without oil or butter. Let them cool on a plate. Break the chocolate into pieces and add to the bowl of the food processor. Add the almonds and grind into powder. Meanwhile, melt the butter in a saucepan and pour it into the running food processor to combine. Whisk the chocolate nut mixture into the egg yolk mixture. Beat the egg whites with the remaining sugar and the salt. Until stiff peaks form. Fold gently into the chocolate batter. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Pour the batter into the mold. Smooth the top of the cake with a spatula. Bake in the middle of the oven for about 40 minutes until done. The top should be slightly springy when pressed gently. Let cool for 15 minutes. Remove from pan and set the cake on a wire rack to cool completely. Sprinkle the cake with powdered sugar before serving. There you have it, the gluten-free chocolate almond cake, the savory way.